Hi, Fist 101, and this review is Blaze of Steel 99, not 64, 99 for some reason.
1999.
Oh, 1999. And it's a really good hockey game, a nice classic hockey, and it really has all the teams in it. It's a fun hockey game. So let's see how it's like. I haven't played this for a while. Come on, makes this game. So starts off with a little intro video. And you could pick your team. See, it has pretty much every team. Look at that. That's every freaking team. Only Trump, because that's my favorite team. And the randomized stuff. There you go. It's pretty good graphics for this game. See? To face off. Just tap at. It has pretty good controls. B is to fucking slap it. A is to pass, just like any other hockey game. The speed boost is like R, I think. And well, if you want to just play a few games in this, then you can go ahead. But for me, I've grown fond of this game for a long time, and I really don't have much to say about this. Well, but it's a hockey game, typical hockey game, classic hockey, and it's from Nintendo 64. So if you have one, that's probably in your collection. I have this one, and that's all of the Nintendo 64 games except for two Zelda games. But I don't know how to review those, so I can't. It's Zelda Majora's Mask and Ocarina of Time. Never beat those games because they're too hard. I have this one, and see you later.